Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 4th, 2024. And we have here three puzzles are done. Yes, the three the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. Yeah, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8306. By the way, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month. We have a speed test. Yeah. Speed test. I will do the puzzles without comments, without instructions. Always on the first Friday of the month. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 2 triple boxes. Here 1 and there 1. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is here given, so the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, yeah, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Yeah, we have a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Let me check. Here we have a quadra box. A quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Well, and the numbers, well, I need more information. It could be everywhere, the numbers. All right. Do we have more quadra boxes? Let me check. No. All right. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And we have one shape left. How about the L shape rotated? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Okay. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me think. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Well. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. In this triple box is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. Should be a 3 here. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 1 that is left in this triple box for number 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for number 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, okay. Then, let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. This box, well, let me go up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. This box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area supposed to be there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. I need a 3 here. Yeah, I need a 3 there, yeah. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And then the 3 here. Okay. Okay. The difficult part. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated there the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright, and now these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. Yeah, let me mark those. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If it places a 3 here, then I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, then these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me think. Yeah. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 now. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place the 3 there, then I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then I need to wait here. Alright, then I need to wait. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Okay. Now this box can be 1 and that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And is connected with that box should be so 4 and the 5. Then I need a 3 in this area. Well, the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and 5. Here also 4 and 5. Okay. Then let me think. 2, I need a 5 here, and I need a 4 here. Interesting. 3 and a 5. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And the last 2 numbers, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, not 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlist for the Tectonic, a.k.a. JigsawSudoku. Playlist for the binaries. Playlist for the letter Sudoku. And also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also playlists for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and also for the samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday, the first Friday of the month. We do a speed test without any comments or any instructions. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.